Hey guys, what's going on? Mitesh here with MTech, and today we're doing a little bit something different because I'm going to be doing a little test on the OnePlus 6T cameras, and I'm tired of doing the normal test, so I'm going to be doing like a little bit of a vlog style. I'm about to go on a trip here to San Diego, so thought it'd be a perfect time to really test out this camera. And yeah, going to give you guys a little bit of a vlog. If you guys hate it, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So as you guys can see from the palm trees, officially landed in San Diego, just waiting on the shuttle bus to take us to get our car. Gonna get some lunch after that and then head out to Palm Springs. Hey guys, so it's already second day. We didn't do anything at all last night because it gets dark here at like 5 p.m. and we got to Palm Springs at like around 7, so didn't really do much. Took a couple pictures of the sign that you guys saw. And yeah, today we're getting started early, so it is 8:30 right now, and we're about to head out to Joshua Tree National Park where we'll be taking lots of pictures and pretty much spending the entire day there. So let's get started. Check out these cacti. They are everywhere here. This is the Cholla Cactus Garden. Alright guys, so we're inside the park, surrounded by gigantic rocks right now, past the desert part, so let's take a look at these rocks. Seriously, these rocks are absolutely massive. And they are everywhere. Just gigantic boulders, everywhere. And of course you got beautiful foliage like this thingy right here. It's an aloe vera plant, looks like. I don't know, that's what it looks like anyways. You also guys can check out the focusing on this camera. That's my wife up there. And yeah, as you can see the dynamic range, the sun is super bright right now. Alright, do you guys see this? This is the first Joshua tree we've seen so far in the park. And that's because we started on the wrong side. But yeah, it's the Joshua tree. That's what this park is known for. Alright, so one of the things I was most looking forward to when we decided to go to Joshua Tree was to take star photography, because I've seen some really nice pictures online and it's something that I've always been interested in. So because of that, I dragged my tripod from home all the way out here to California. But like an idiot, I forgot the little mounting plate that goes to the bottom of my camera to mount it on the tripod. So right now we are heading to Walmart to pick up another tripod, hopefully something cheap so we can just use it for this thing and just be done with it. Alright, so here we are. These are the options. We've got this monopod, which I don't want, tripod, and a mini tripod, like a gorilla pod type deal. I'm not sure which one I'm going to get yet. Alright guys, so decided to go with this tripod because it is a very tall one at 50 inches, and it also comes with a smartphone mount, which would be really cool because I want to try to take some pictures with the phone also. And yes, the one thing I forgot about is the fact that it's Black Friday, so this Walmart is super busy. Hey. Alright guys, back in Joshua Tree, as you can see from the Joshua trees, which by the way, they look pretty ugly, but they kind of grow on you after a while. Yeah. Anyway, so it is 3:30 and the sun is almost setting, so we're gonna head over to a place where we can go take some nice sunset pictures. Seriously, this place has gotten so much busier since the morning, so yeah, trying to find a parking place is kind of hard. So, but once we're done with the sunset, we'll go back out, take some more pictures of low light, take some more videos in low light, and then finally do some star photography, which I'm excited to even try taking some star photography with the OnePlus, since it does have a pro mode where you can take 30-second long photos. So, really excited to try that. Do you guys see that? That's the sunset, and I'm not over there to watch the sunset because it is too busy over there. We didn't plan very well. We went there a little late, and it was just way too busy. Could not get up there. Too many people parked, so didn't get to see it. But luckily, the sunset honestly wasn't that pretty today anyway, so it's okay. But yeah, so no sunset. It is getting dark here soon, so I will be taking some night photos with the OnePlus T6T, and you guys can see what it can do in night. Alright guys, so I'm back home now, and yeah, that was a not so quick look at what these cameras on the OnePlus 6T are capable of. They can shoot some really great video, they can take some really amazing photos. Low light photos and videos are not as good as I would hope, but you know what, they're still salvageable. They're still about what I would expect from a camera in 2018 and going into 2019. Honestly, for the price that this same phone costs, these cameras are amazing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this, or just hit the dislike button and let me know that you guys don't want to see videos like this, which totally fine with me. I will have links to the full-size pictures down below if you guys are interested, and with that, that's pretty much all I have for you guys this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!